Okay, so let us go through questions of today's geometry quiz. Okay, the question is in the given figure below, angle ABC, 45 degrees, this, and this AD is drawn perpendicular. It meets BC. Okay, so basically this is the figure given to us. Okay, and this is given to us as 120 degree. Okay, and this is given out to us as 45. This is A, this is C, this is B. Okay, now one thing is, like first of all, AD is drawn perpendicular. Okay, so as soon as this scene, many of you might have done this mistake, that AD you must have drawn here. Okay, but notice one thing, like if you draw AD1 over here, then this angle will be 90 degree, but in a triangle sum should be 180, but these two only are crossing 180, so this is not possible. So AD will be, AD won't be there. Okay, in fact AD will be here, AD will be this side. Okay, so AD will be this side, means this will be 90 degree. Okay, so this is 120, so this will be 60. Okay, now we know that this angle will be 15 degree, and here we can see that it is 30. Very easy. Now this is 20. Now see, this is an 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, so if we suppose this side to be x, if we suppose this side to be x, then tan 60 will be, this is D, so tan 60 will be how much? Tan 60 will be x by DC. Okay, so x will be DC tan 60, so DC root 3, so DC will be x by root 3, so x by root 3 this will be. Okay, now we also know that triangle A, you can see that triangle, this angle is 45, this angle is 45, so basically this side and this side, so AD will be equal to BD. You can see this, so x equal to x by root 3 plus 20. Okay, now our question is, find the value of length AD. AD is x, so x minus x by root 3 equal to 20. So root 3, x can be taken out common, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 equal to 20. So x can be written as 20 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. So we aren't getting any desired form, so let us change this. So this goes up 20 root 3, this becomes root 3 plus 1 upon 2. So we got 10 root 3 send inside, 10 3 plus root 3. So first option is the answer to this question. Now let's come to next question. This is a direct question of MPG. You have to directly use MPG. Okay, so here it is. In a given triangle, this is this, BD is to DC is 7 is to 4, AF is to FB is 1 is to 2, FE is to, we have to find. Okay, so here it is 7, it is 4, so multiply with 4 over 4 is a mass kept over here, so 7 into 4 is 28, so 7 will be here. Okay, now 4 into 2 is 8, so 8 will be over here. Now here it will be basically sum of the extreme masses, so 8 plus 4, 12 will be here. So 7 is over here, so 7 will be here, and 12 is over here, so 12 will be here. So FE is to EC is 7 is to 12. So 7 is to 12 is the answer to this question. Okay. Okay, so let us go through next question. So next question is this. Again, this question is also, wait, I have to close this. Okay, in a semicircle with diameter this, there is a theorem known as Ptolemy's theorem. Okay, Ptolemy's theorem, PTOLEMYS, Ptolemy's theorem. Okay, that I'll be using here, Ptolemy theorem. But okay, so AB is given to us as 2, CD is given to us as 2, AD is given as 2 as 8, and BC is given as 2 as x. Okay, now since AD is, you can read that parallel to diameter AD, since AD is diameter, so this will be 90 degree. Okay, so this will be hypotenuse, so this side will be how much? Root over 8 square minus 2, so 64 minus 4, so this will be root 60, and similarly AC will also be root 60. Okay, now Ptolemy theorem says basically product of this into this, so x into 8 means 8x plus this into this, so 4 equal to product of these two diagonals, so this into this, so this will be 6, root 60 into root 60 will be 60, so this will be 64, 56 by 8, so 7 is the answer to this question. That's it. Only this much was supposed to be known for this question. Okay, next one. Yes, this is okay. This is also a good one. A circle with radius 2 is placed along this. Another smaller circle is also placed. What is the radius of the smaller circle? Okay, so we'll suppose, we'll suppose this smaller circle has a radius r. Okay, now see, here you can see, here this length will be how much? This length will basically be the radius of the bigger circle, so this will be 2. Okay, and this will also be 2, so this will also be 2. Okay, so now this will be how much? This will basically be hypotenuse, because this is 90 degrees, this is acting as a tangent, so this complete length will be 2 root 2. Okay, remember, we'll keep this on hold. Now let's try to further break this triangle. Okay, break this line, this straight hypotenuse line. Okay, we'll try to just break this. Okay, so this is the center, and this starts from here and it will go on till here. Okay, consider this straight. So this to this much is how much? This to this much is 2. This to this much is how much? This is r. Now talking about this part is how much? If you draw a perpendicular again over here, this will be r, this will be r, so this much will be r root 2. So basically this complete will be how much? 2 plus r root 2. Okay, so this will be 2 plus r root 2, and we know that this is equal to 2 root 2, right? So now let's just solve this. 2 root 2 minus 2 r, 2 root 2 minus 2, 2 root 2 minus 2 equal to r 1 plus root 2, or root 2 plus 1, because you have to rationalize. Okay, now 2 can be taken common over here, so root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Okay, this is written like this, and this is equal to r. Okay, so this you can rationalize, so this will become 2 root 2 minus 1 whole square. This is r. Okay, further you can rationalize depending on the options. Okay, this was it. Okay, so last question. This is also an easy one. Okay, a cylinder, a hemisphere and a cone all have identical base and same height. Okay, so the question is asking for area of the curved surface. Okay, so curved surface, so we'll suppose that since we have a cone involved, okay, so since we have a cone involved, and we know that in cone we will be having L as a slant height. Okay, and L is basically root over radius square plus height square. Okay, now so what we can do is we can suppose that radius is 3 and height is 4, so that we get an integer for L as well. Okay, so L becomes 5. Okay, fair enough, that's it, nothing else. Okay, so let us start. Have same base, same height. Okay, the ratio of their curved surface area. So curved surface area of cylinder 2. So curved surface area of cylinder, we can write it as 2 pi r h is to what do we have more? We have second one, we have hemisphere. Hemisphere curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Okay, so pi r l. Okay, so let us cancel common terms. Pi gets cancelled, r gets cancelled, so we are left with 2h is to 2r is to l. Okay, so h will be 4, so this will be 2 into 4. So better write this directly. Okay, so h will be, okay, this much is done. H will be 4, so 2 4 8. Okay, so 2 into 4 8. R is 2 into 3 6. L is 5 volt. These aren't in the options. The area of their curved surface areas will be the area of their curved surfaces. Okay, so I got my mistake. So the mistake was this. Okay, it is given that they have equal base as well as height. Okay, so basically, if in sphere, if we talk about hemisphere, if we talk about height will be r only. You can see that height will be r only, radius will be r itself. So height and r both are equal. Okay, so we can't assume values, we can directly write it as. Okay, so let us start. Curved surface area of cylinder will be same 2 pi r h. Let us ignore pi, and let us ignore r as well. So we'll directly write 2h. Now 2 pi r h. Okay, so let us ignore pi and let us write everything, okay, because pi will get cancelled. So 2 r h. Now for hemisphere it is 2 pi r square, so 2 r square, and for what to say, cone it will be pi r l. So pi ignore, radius r, and l will be root over r square plus r square. So this will be nothing but r root 2. So r root 2. So this gets cancelled now, pi r l. Okay. Now r and h are same. Okay. So h can be written as r. So this becomes r square. So r square this becomes. So r square gets cancelled. R square gets cancelled. Okay. So we are left with only with 2 root 2. Let's cancel root 2 1. So this is the answer. This was a good one. Okay. Fourth one. Yes, correct. So these were all the questions. I hope these are clear.